Marla Gaming, and today I'm playing Plumber's Creed. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video. So let's get started, right? So here we go. I haven't played this game in like forever. It's been oh shoot. It's been a long time since I was like young. Take this. Surprise attack. You missed. It's kind of similar to Assassin's Creed. I never played Assassin's Creed before. I heard of the game Assassin's Creed before, but I never played it. Now I need to reach the flag. Okay. This is getting more harder and more intense. Oh shoot! You missed. Psych! Surprise. Jesus. Love of Jesus God. You missed. Oh no. Okay. Are you gotta be kidding me? Okay, let's skip for now. And then... Jesus! This will be the last time doing it. If I don't do it, then I will have to pause the game. Shoot! You thought I was gonna swear, but not this time. So I'll pause it. So yeah, I'll be right back. Okay guys, I did it finally. After a lot of attempts, after many attempts. You missed. Psych. Psych. Oh my god. Whoa! Finally made it. Oh God. Come on. Shoot. I don't want to waste my dang time. Easy. Okay, that was a close one. Surprise attack. I had to run away. But I'm on level 7. I'm almost completing. Oh shoot! Didn't see that coming. Too bad. Surprise! 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 Get smashed into pieces. Okay, I'm gonna do this one by one. Surprise! Surprise! Finally. Oh shoot. I'm getting the hang of it. Oh God. I'm dead. Oh, Jesus. He just stomped on me. Haha. Haha. Oh! Surprise! Surprise! You missed. Missed. Missed again. Missed. Oh, Jesus. When he gets close. Yes! Oh, Jesus Christ. I'll not try to give up. Okay. Slow and steady. Ah, Jesus. This will be the last time. Okay. Ah! You know what? This will be the one last time. Surprise! Yes! Oh no. Yes! Okay, just wait. 3, 2, 1. Now I'm gonna reach. Now I better reach the flag. Oh no, how am I gonna pass these bandits? Oh, I'm on level 9 now. Jesus. No matter hard I keep trying, I better do my best and take my time. Oh my god, that's a lot. How am I going to get through? Ugh, this is hard. The last one is so hard. Easy does it. Whoa. Take that. Oh, Jesus. Okay, this time for real. If I fail, then I'm just going to make a quick pause. Jesus. Okay, this will be 1-1-1 last time. If I can't do it, then it's a quick pause. Again. You missed. Shoot! You know what? Holy sh... As you can see, I made it. I figured it out, so... Yep. Hey, what's this? Why does it sound like creepypasta? But anyways, thanks for watching my channel. Please subscribe. So, bye.